back to Auto Assets. This is Zach. With me today is a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta SEL. Exterior is a platinum gray metallic. Driver front wheel, it's in great shape, no pitting, no corrosion, no curb rash. We got a little rain, so it's a little dirty. Driver rear wheel, exactly the same, no curb rash, no pitting, nothing major. Rear bumper, you're gonna see a little scuff here, just below the license plate. Passenger rear wheel is in good shape. There's a little bit of a scuff there on that spoke. Passenger front wheel, again, just a little dirty, just got the rust off the rotors, but no corrosion, no curb rash. Front and rear windows are tinted. If I could say, could be about 20% tint on these windows. Black Leatherette interior. Volkswagen Monster mats are installed on this car. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, standard with this vehicle. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Full digital display on the instrument cluster. This vehicle has just over 30,000 miles. Cold weather package includes heated rear seats, okay, if you have any questions about this vehicle, don't hesitate to call us. Our number is 614-793-1050.